So I started the recording. So I will explain to you how to draw a scattered graph. So these are the mark of 8 students in math and science. If you observe, you can see student A got 36 in math, 32 in science. Likewise, student B, 94 in math, 88 in science, and so on up to student H. So you have to draw the scattered graph of this data that you have here. Firstly, before you draw scattered graph, what do? We observe the smallest and the highest number so that we will know that, okay, our graph must include, okay, let me say this math mark now will be my, let me say this will be my horizontal line. I can choose anyone to be my horizontal. And let me say my science mark is the vertical line. Good. You know, if you are drawing graph, we will need vertical and horizontal, right?
You have the y-axis and the x-axis.
Exactly. So I'm saying my math should be my x-axis and my science should be my what? Y-axis. Now, observe the smallest number. Let me look at my x-axis. Look at my smallest number is what? 24.
Yes.
And my largest number is 94. So make sure that your graph is, make sure that it's at least, let me say 94, 95 above. That you can reach 100. And look at your science mark. The smallest one you have here is 32. And the largest one is 88. So make sure that at least your graph gets to like 90 and above. So let's go. Let us draw our graph. And you are going to choose a nice scale. A scale that will accommodate all of them. So let's go. So how am I going? Now look at my graph here. So let's draw carefully. Now let's see. If you observe, this is my maths. I said, let this one be my maths. So let's go. Man, the highest one in that first. Let me see, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 25, 80, 81, 90, 95, 100. Okay, good. I know what to do now. Let me say two of this line should represent 10. All together?
Yes.
Two of this line should represent 10. So let me say this is 10. The next one was 20. The next one was 30. The next one was 40. The next one will be 50. The next one will be 60. The next one will be 70. The next one will be 80. The next one will be 90. And the next one was 100. So that's it. If you observe, you see that what all these points I have here now.
Are you only supposed to do 20 squares?
Like what?
Like 20 squares, like
20, 40.
Y-axis.
I'm to do 20 squares as how?
Because I don't have like the line paper you have.
Yes, yeah, that I'm telling you. I'm just drawing with respect to the one I'm having here. Don't worry. My next class, I'll try to get a real graph and plot it for you. This interface is not like a real graph. Are you there? I'm just managing what I have. Good. So this is x-axis. And then let me look at my y-axis. But don't let me call it x-axis since it has a name. The name for that x-axis is what? The math mark. Are you there?
Yes.
So this one is for the maths. And this for the what? Science. This for the what? Science. Now let's go. So for the science now, my S mark is, so let's see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, that's okay. Let me say this is 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. 10, 20, 30. This is 40. This is 50. This is 60. This is 70. This is 80. This is 90. I can call this what? 100. Now let's plot our graph. Let's plot our graph. Now pay attention. For student A, 36 for math, science is 32. So 36 for math, 36 should be around here. And our math is what? You know that the middle, this is 30, this is 40. The middle is 35. So a little bit above it to be what? 36. And then for science is 32. This 30, a little bit above it is what? 32. So let's look at where they join together. Let's look at where they join together. They join together around this side, right?
Yes.
So let me say this is the side, exactly. So I'll just put a cross. Next, 94 in math Science is 88. 94 in math. 94, okay. You know, this is 95. So a little bit before it is 94 in math, and 88 is science. So let's take this to 88. 88 will be what? Close to 90. So let us trace this point. Trace it carefully. All right. Let's just manage it like that. Next, 67 for math, 73 for science. 67 for math, then 73 for science. So 73, this 70, 73 a little. Next, what else? 24 for math, 24, okay. And what again? 35 for science. So you just trace your 35 up to this point, okay. That will be the middle. So just exactly. Next, what do we have? We have wait, 24 and 35. We have done this. For student E has 62 in math and 68 in science. So 62 in math, this is it. 68 in science. Where 68? That's close to 70. 68 in science. All right. What do you have again?
We have
51 in maths, 45 in science. So we have 51 in math.
Yes.
This 51 and 45 in science. So 45 in science.
Okay, that's right.
Okay, 45 in science. What else? We have 73 in math and 68 in science. So 73 in math, 68 in science. So 73 in math, 68 in science.
I don't know.
Okay. Wait, let me see. 73, 68 in science. So this is 60. All right. Next, what do we have? 56 in math, 62 in science. 56 in math. Then what do we have again? 56 in math, then 62 in science. So we have 52 in science, 62 in science would be above 62 a little. All right.
Okay.
So look at all the points I'm having here now. All right. So the next thing now is for us to now draw the line of best fit. What do I call it?
Line of best fit.
Remember the line of best fit. You see, let me tell you one thing about line of best fit. It's not a must that you want it to connect all the dots. No. The line of best fit we just like try to tell you the trend of the point, whether it is increasing or decreasing. Now pay attention. If your line of best fit is going this way, then that shows positive correlation. This type of line shows what? Positive correlation. Are we together?
Yes.
Shows what? Positive what?
Correlation.
Good. If your line of best fit is having this kind of slope, this is called what? Negative correlation. Negative what?
Correlation.
Correlation. But if you have this kind of scattered plots whereby it is very hard for you to determine the trend.
No, Mr. Saula, it's easier to do it like that, because when you do it like that, you just go up the corridors, along the stairs. That is like, you know how you do coordinates? Yeah,
Yes.
it's like that's how you do scatter graph, because it basically helps you, because first you are going to locate where it is, and the number of this will tell you here. Because
Yes.
let's say
So
there's
I'm telling you, there's
99.
something. There's no correlation between the two data in this type of diagram. So my point is that If you have this type of line, you have positive correlation, this is negative correlation, and this is no correlation. Now, let's see. Let's draw a line of best fit. Now, pay attention. Whenever you are drawing a line of best fit, let's see. Take note of something. So, how do we draw a line of best fit? How do we draw it? If you observe, it is this line that is here. Okay, you know that my graph is not that accurate. So this is our line of best fit. Endeavor to make sure that the number of points you have above this line of best fit is the same as the number of points you have below the number of best fit. Good. The line of best fit rather. Let me try to make it a little bit perfect. I'm coming. So I'll draw my line of best fit this way. If you observe, see, I'm drawing my line of best fit exactly in a way that, if you check, this point lie on that line, a way that you see I have 3 lines below, 3 points below. I also have 3 points above my line of best fit, so this is fine. So a line of best fit is not a must that to connect all the points. So it is this line that will show this type of correlation between your data. Now check, looking at this example, what type of correlation exists between these two data? Is it positive correlation, negative correlation, or there's no correlation?
Positive correlation.
Exactly. So we have positive correlation. This is positive correlation. Positive correlation. It does have to draw scatter diagram. Who's calling me?
Okay.
Please, I'm coming.
Mr.
Please draw
Salah,
it. I'm coming.
are you using Mr. Salah? I have
Yes.
a website. I don't know if you use it, but it's BBC when 4th level scatter graph. Mr. Solar, so do I have to draw everything? Mr. Solar, do I have to draw everything?
What did you
Do I
say?
have to draw everything?
Yes.